Hello, my friends. This is Sheree from Turquoise Dreaming. How's everyone doing today? So excited to come to you today with a few things I've listed in my shop. I was going to wait until Saturday to gather some more things and do my usual Saturday what's new in my shop type of thing, a video. But one thing already sold, so I thought, well, let me go ahead and let you know about these things before, other things sell. And then I never know, I don't know when they're going to sell. I don't know if they're going to sell right away or, in 2 weeks. So I listed 2 sets of these Cricket magazines, and this is it's a set of 6. So the other set sold like the same day I listed it. It was really awesome. So thank you if the person out there is watching this video. I really appreciate that. And so this set is available. It's coming, it'll come wrapped up, but I have it wrapped up right now with this, which that will also come with it, a little fabric ribbons that I make out of linens. But this is a set, there was a set, kind of a fall set, like September, October, November, December, January. That one just flew right out the door. So I'm not going to really show that one, but it was an awesome set too. But this one is, I'm just going to show you, they're all in really good condition. The pages are, pages are perfect, no writing, no tears. And I picked these up at a thrift store a while ago. I had them in my Etsy, and now I'm, like I always say, if in case you haven't seen my videos lately, I transferred everything over to, I'm transferring everything over to eBay. I have a new shop. It's actually a shop called Sheree's Shop, and I always have the link down below. So I say keep an eye on that because I list things probably like the night before I do, or the week before I do my Saturday video. So and sometimes it sells even before my Saturday video. And this was going to be for next Saturday, but it's already sold. So anyway, this is April 1974. Here's the front of it. It's a flower with a face, in case you can't see it clearly as far as what it is. And then here's the back, and I already showed you the pages on this one. This one is May 1974. These are really nice and thick. It's a little magazine subscription that kids could get in the 70s, apparently. Mid-70s these are. Yeah, mid-70s. So this is a little, this is like some kind of grasshopper or cricket or something. See, it's got antenna. And this is a little bee, so she is reading to the bee. Cute, right? It's called Cricket Magazine. Oh, here's the back of it. That will help me. Oh, I think it is a cricket or a grasshopper. See the legs, so maybe a grasshopper. So cute, different. Here's the inside of this one. They just have all, if you've never seen one of these magazines, they have all kinds of stories in here. I cut one up for Halloween. I took an October version and used those pages in my past fall and Halloween journals. So you can see there's all kinds of cool pages you can use. If you don't want to keep it in as a collection, you can use it in your journals. So that's the next one. This one is June 1975. You've got it looks like a grandpa here. Looks like he has gray hair and a beard, and then 2 kids around a campfire. I can't tell. Oh, they're in some kind of little fort or something there, like a fort. And they're camping out, I guess. Or maybe it's a tent. Can't really tell. Might be a tent, but it's at night and they're around a campfire. Here's the back. There's some deer. I guess all these creatures are listening to. He's probably telling stories around the campfire, and all the creatures here. Deer. There's a canoe, a skunk, a bear, a raccoon, and an owl. Probably all listening to the stories that this grandpa is telling around the campfire. And I showed you the pages. And this one, this one's browning actually a little bit more, but still nothing wrong with these pages. Oh, these are white here. That's funny how they're different colors. I've had these since I had them. I put them, they were in a cabinet where I store my things that are for sale. There is a shelf with doors, so it's a cabinet. And so they're away from dust and sun and everything. This is, let's see, what is this one? July 1975. We have children dancing. So July in the summer. We've got the tropical trees, coconut trees and things in the background. children up here. Oh, they're calling to the hot air balloon. I see. Okay. They look like they're dancing too, but I guess they're running around calling to these children up here. Here's the back. A nice lake scene with a sailboat and a child on the beach or the shore. So again, this one's browning also. Let's see, is it browning all the way through? Or some people call it yellowing, the pages when they start getting dark like that. But no writing or tears. These were really in great condition. And then this, I love this one too. August 1975 with this little girl on the beach, and there's a little cricket there. She's got a bucket making it like a sandcastle there. And here is the sandcastle. Look at that, isn't that cute? There's a snail. I'm not sure what this is, but it has a face and a little something there. Spider. Cricket. Here's the inside of this one. It's yellowing or browning also, but good, great condition. And then this one, I say this one's special in my listing because I noticed it was July 1976, and that's the bicentennial, if you remember, if you were around then, if you were born and you were alive then, and you were old enough to know what was going on in 1976. But here's a soldier, like, looks like George Washington, but it's a lion with a George Washington hat on. Here's a flag. Here's the back. I guess it's supposed to be a scene from like George Washington, that one where he's sitting. I think is he standing or sitting? I'm not sure. It looks like he can't tell from this picture. But yeah, so yeah, I always thought this one would be special, like a collector's item, because it is July 1976. But here's the pages. These are still white. It's weird how some of them are brown and some of them are white, and they're all from basically the same number of years, like 74, 75, 76. So anyway, that is that set. So that one's still in there. Just wanted to let all my friends and YouTube subbies know before, what's in there before it's gone, So you know, and it's kind of like you're the first to know if I can get the video out in time. Kind of like a Patreon, but I don't have a Patreon. I just do everything on YouTube. Okay, and then I listed these two as a set of 2 pillowcases. So you get this one. They're both standard size, but I put the measurement or the exact inches in the listing. But this one is white background with these pretty delicate looking blue, peachy yellow, pink, and blue flowers. And I said in the video, or in the listing, it has a little spot somewhere. It's like I didn't even see it until I was listing it, and I was turning it over and taking pictures. I was like, oh, there's a spot there. I didn't even see that. See, I can't even find it right now. I have a picture of it. There's a couple little tiny, oh, here it is. Right here. I don't even know if you'll be able to see it in the camera. It's so small. It's right here. And I think there's one over here somewhere too, just like this, very light. And you might even be able, I did wash these when I brought them home, but you might even be able to wash them again. Oh, here's one right here. See, it's so light. I don't know if you can see it in the camera right there, but I always like to try to point those things out, so when you get it, you don't say, oh, Sheree, there's a spot on there and you did not tell me. So I do my best to try to tell you exactly what is what. So that one and this one comes together in a set of 2. I just thought, why not put them together? And this beautiful one. I showed you the sheet from this one, if you recognize it. I have the sheets too that I'm dividing up into my vintage sheet packs or bundles, which I have, I think, two of in my shop right now. And they might have this sheet in there. You'd have to look at the listing and see. I think they probably might. I don't remember. But this is gorgeous. Peaches right here and pinks, and then you got green leaves in the background, and then you got this kind of white one with the pink around the tips there and in the middle. Gorgeous, gorgeous vintage sheet, perfect condition as far as I can see. So that is in there. And then I forgot to mention this. I had put this in there about a week ago, I guess, but I forgot to mention it last Saturday, where I listed, this is a small Afghan. I have this size in there, you know, crocheted Afghan, but it's like a little tiny one, like almost might be like a, I don't even think it, I don't know if it's considered a baby, for a baby, or just a wall hanging or what, but that's all it is. That right there, as you can see, I'm just kind of rolling it through the camera so you can see it all, and how pretty it is, really. I've had it for a number of years where I just bought it for myself, and I used it in my home decor. Whoops, sorry, I bumped you. But yeah, I used it in my home decor for kind of like fall, maybe put it with some other fall type things, and or hung it over a chair or something. So yeah, I just use it in my home decor. So it doesn't really, as far as I can tell, I bought it from a yard sale, I remember. And I kind of negotiated on it because the lady wanted more than I wanted to pay. And I cut her down. And so I haven't used it every year or anything. I used it like once or twice maybe. And that's it. So I would say it really doesn't have much or any wear on it. But I think it's gorgeous and I really love it. But I haven't used it, and so I think I need to part with it. Like I've been telling you, I'm decluttering. So that's part of my decluttering. And then these two glasses, I had two Peanuts, you know, Charlie Brown Snoopy glasses that I found, and they were so cool. I had to bring them home, but I didn't want to keep them, so I don't want to keep them. I don't have any room for them in my glass cupboard for cabinet for glasses. And I see these glasses once in a while, like just really cool glasses from like the 70s or something, the 50s. And I'm like, oh, I wish I had some room in my cabinet, but I kind of gave in and bought the Peanuts when I had to, but I did sell them in my shop. And they're already gone, but these two I still have. These are Holly Hobby, and it says simple pleasures are the sweetest right there. And they're Coca-Cola. It has the Coca-Cola symbol right there. Limited edition. They're in perfect condition. There's no chips or anything on here. And right here it says Holly Hobby Simple Pleasures. So it's got the Coke and the Holly Hobby. So really, I just thought they were really cool. I never had a Holly Hobby doll, but I remember Holly Hobby. I remember, you know, the name. I don't know what years it was from, if it was in the 70s or whatever. I don't know why. If it was during my childhood, I don't know why I never had one, but maybe they were expensive and my parents didn't want to buy one. But anyway, I always thought that I always kind of just remember that from my childhood and have kind of a, you know, a bond with Holly Hobby in that way. So anyway, I will see you on my next video. That's it. I just wanted to let you know about those few things before they're gone, in case any of my, you know, you all, my special friends, want to get over there and check out what's in my shop. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day. See you later.